Space. The final frontier. An endless expanse of cosmic beauty, full of stars, galaxies, and aliens, probably. But we'll save that theory for another time. Instead, we're going to talk about something even cooler than aliens. This little guy right here. This is a star, one of the many interstellar beacons that light up the... Wait, what? No. Back it up. Did that star just explode? The answer is yes, it did. Well, technically it imploded, but we'll get to that in a second. What you just witnessed is known as a supernova, an extremely rare cosmic event where the core of a star collapses in on itself. This happens after years and years of burning up elements that keep the star, well, burning. Extra matter that isn't used is collected in the core, and when it gets too heavy for the star to handle, it simply goes boom. Not every supernova explosion ends the same way though. What's even cooler than exploding stars shooting out space dust is the fact that two different things can happen as a result. One outcome of a supernova is known as a neutron star, or a pulsar. Now if only we could... Oh, wait, there it is. Pulsars are very small stars, usually found in the center of the explosion in a nebula. It's the same star that existed before, just compacted and tiny. Travel size, for your space crew's convenience. In fact, they're so small in comparison to other stars that you could fit one between the distance of Buchanan and Elkins, West Virginia. We'd all be dead, but it would fit. Pulsars are also super fast. They're constantly rotating at incredible speeds, kind of like a figure skater twirling around on the ice. Now imagine as she's spinning that light is coming out of the top of her head and the bottom of her feet. This is how pulsars emit their light. Rather than coming out in all directions like our star, the sun, their light only shines out from the poles. Now, let's move on to the other cool thing that can happen when a supernova explodes. Here we have our little star again, and now oh, wait, what? It's gone. Where did it go? Technically, it's still there. What's left of it at least. You just can't see it. There we go. This is a black hole. It's what happens when a star completely collapses on itself. The larger black holes, like the one in the center of the Milky Way, were created during the Big Bang, but the smaller ones usually occur in binary star systems. See, you have two sibling stars living together, all happy and such, and then one turns into a black hole and starts sucking in matter from the other, kind of like how you might steal your own sibling's clothes, or vice versa. As the matter gets sucked in towards the center, the varying pulls of gravity warp and stretch out the material in a process known as spaghettification. Who knew that black holes liked Italian food? But sometimes it's just not really feeling up for spaghetti night. Matter that doesn't get sucked into the center is left to float around until it eventually gets tossed out of the black hole. This is what's known as a jet, a stream of material that shoots out of the black hole at a 90-degree angle. It's pretty cool to see, and pulsars can actually do it too. I guess they really aren't so different when you think about it. They're both the product of a supernova explosion, they just have different levels of collapse. Pulsars stop at some point to leave behind a small, dense little star, and black holes collapse completely. Space is pretty amazing when you think about it, and there's so much left of it to be discovered. It's a shame supernovas are such a rare event, but maybe that's why they're so fascinating. Just think, a star could be exploding right now, and off somewhere, in a galaxy far, far away, a black hole is pigging out on space spaghetti.